Google isn't deciding if people find you anymore. AI is deciding if you're worth mentioning. Class is in session. This is Hounder University, and it's like the college that you went to, except the syllabus survives contact with the internet. I'm Hayden Ballio, and I'll be your professor for today, not because I have tenure, but because I made enough mistakes to earn the syllabus. We used to optimize for search engines. That made sense when people clicked links. But now people don't want links. They just want answers. They want the explanation without the scroll, without the ads, without 17 pop-ups asking about cookies they didn't eat. That shift is the reason AEO exists. AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization, which is a little misleading because you're not really optimizing for the engine, you're optimizing the inputs the engine learns from. Because typically models pull from three places: your website, the broader internet, and your past presence. AEO is how we make sure that when a model needs to explain something, you're already in its memory. AEO really isn't about ranking, it's about being quotable. Answer engines don't give people 10 options, they give one answer, maybe two if they're feeling really generous, and that changes everything. Because now the goal isn't to show up, the goal is to be chosen. AEO rewards the brand that makes understanding effortless. Clear beats clever, simple beats impressive, and confident beats corporate every single time. Our AI overlords don't read like humans. They look for patterns. They want to understand your content without guessing, which means they check for four main things. One, clarity. Does it have short sentences? Do you use direct explanations? Next one, structure. Headings, listings, definitions. After that, it's authority. These are not credentials, confidence. And then lastly, consistency. Because the second you contradict yourself, the model either ignores you or fills in the gaps for you. Neither outcome helps. This is why AEO content feels different. If SEO is a full course meal, AEO is a tasting menu. Small, intentional, memorable. You answer the core question immediately. You define it cleanly, you break it down simply. You use examples people recognize, and then you stop, because AI doesn't need your life story, it needs your best explanation. Most brands right now don't write for Google. Almost none write for AI, which means two things matter more than ever: schema and entities. Schema is a cheat sheet. Entities tell the model who owns the topic. When your name keeps showing up attached to the same ideas, the model stops guessing. It starts trusting. That's your advantage. Now, the biggest mistake brands make with AEO is trying to sound smart. AEO hates fluff, it hates rambling, and it hates content that needs a slide deck to explain itself. If your content can't become a clean, one-paragraph answer, it doesn't survive. Generic content becomes generic training data. And generic training data helps everyone but you. AEO rewards brands with a point of view. It punishes brands who sound like everyone else. In AI answer land, sameness is death. So how do we actually crush AEO in 2026? Well, you need to start by writing answers before you write articles. Use clean, confident definitions. Add schema to everything that matters. Organize content into clusters models can actually understand. Speak plainly, show up consistently, because the more the model sees you, the more it trusts you. And the more it trusts you, the more it cites you. Lastly, AEO isn't really a tactic. It's a compounding of credibility. It's how you get discovered earlier, trusted faster, and considered more often. This is Hounder University. This has been AEO 101. Your attendance has been noted. And if this was helpful, share it with a friend who still thinks ranking first means getting chosen. Class is dismissed.